All right, here we made it to part 3, saving/exporting to a looping BMP file for OLED. So simplest way, whether you got here from doing a single image that's just one frame and that's all you want, or you made this ridiculous thing along with me here, same process for saving. So you go to Layer, Flatten Image, if you haven't already. Okay, makes it one image. Here's the magic. You're going to change the image mode right to bitmap. And you say OK and OK. So now when you go to Save As, and we'll name it Clash BMP. And let's make it 01 so I know this is the new one. It's going to go in this folder. And we're choosing BMP. So now when we hit save, it gives you the option for 1 bit. That's it. You say OK, and you come in here. Here's the Clash 01 BMP. And you can see that it's still white on black. Okay, so this is going to show up on the OLED inverted as black on white. It will look like this. Image adjustments invert. So it's going to look like this on the OLED display. If you save it like this, which we can just do because why not? Let's call it Clash 02, would be inverted version. And you save 1 bit's an option. You say OK. And then again, that one shows up as black and white, just like we saved it. So it's going to show up opposite like this.